Hello everyone, my name is Jason. I'm from the Boonshoft Museum of Discovery, and I'm going to talk a little bit about our solar system. What you're seeing here is curved and distorted a little bit because it was created for our planetarium dome at the Boonshoft Museum. And here in this animation, we've squished all the planets together. Instead of showing them at their accurate distances apart from one another, we'll pretend they're all really close to one another. So what are you looking at? Well, the gray one that resembles our moon is actually the closest planet to the sun, Mercury. The yellowish object, that is Venus. And when you look at Venus, you're not seeing its surface. It's completely covered in clouds. Mars is the reddish planet. And then finally, we all know Earth. These are the terrestrial or rocky planets, meaning you could stand on them. There is a place to stand. Of course, there is more to our solar system. There are the 4 larger planets, which are called gas giants. They're made of gases. You have Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest, and if you look here, you can see it's significantly larger than the Earth. You could fit 1,000 Earths inside Jupiter. Saturn's rings are in fact wider than our entire planet. The bluer one is Neptune, and then toward the top, coming into focus in a second again, is the greenish one, Uranus. But there's still more to our solar system. There are hundreds of moons, comets, asteroids, and we're missing the largest part. So the most massive object in the solar system is the thing which gives us light and heat. It's our star, the sun. The sun is a star, just like the stars at night are suns, and this is ours. Now you might be asking that, what are those spots? Well, they're appropriately named sunspots. They're spots on the sun. But you can think of them as being cooler areas. This is what it might look like if you could jumble everything close together, but of course they're quite far apart from one another. This is a more accurate picture of our solar system. Our star is at the center, and then the planets in order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We've sped up time quite a bit, several months per second. So you can see Mercury circles fastest, while Neptune travels pretty slow. Like water spinning down a drain, the closer you are, the faster you would rotate or revolve around the sun. Here's an activity that you can do at home. We call this the Soda Pop Solar System, or Planet Cans. It's something we developed at the Boonshoft, and it's a cheap and easy way to demonstrate different features of the solar system at home. So what you do is you find the instructor guide, which we've attached here, and you'll see it's Dayton Society of Natural History up there, and it comes with some activities, some ideas, and some facts about the different planets. You print it out, go to the back, and you'll see decals, more or less. And you simply cut these out, tape them around a can, and they should fit pretty perfectly. We all know that planets are round and not a cylindrical object, but this is something that you can hold in your hand to give you a cheap and easy way to demonstrate concepts for the cost of a piece of paper and a can of pop. So one of the activities you could do is pretend that this is actually the size of the sun. A pop can is usually about 3 inches in diameter. And then you could place the different planets, their correct distances, in proportion to this. Mercury, for instance, would be smaller than a grain of sand, about 5 inches away, while Neptune would be only about the size of a single Dippin' Dot, and it would be more than 2 football fields away. Well, thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, click like or subscribe to our channel, and once again, thanks for joining us.